Okay. If you have shaky hands or if you get nervous when it comes to doing lineups, no worries. Just keep watching and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that will help you get better with lineups. First, I want to give a big shout out to @ZiggyWop on Instagram. He actually commented under one of my photos and he gave me the idea for this video. So hopefully you're watching this video. This is for you obviously and anyone else that's having a similar problem. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, you have to get out of your own head. Half of cutting hair is skill, but the other half is mental. You have to have the confidence that you can achieve great haircuts also. I know that may sound a little crazy, but the confidence will actually come through your work. So let's say you're about to line someone up. Instead of you thinking the whole time, ooh, I hope I don't push him back. Ooh, I gotta keep my hand steady. Think, I'm about to give him the crispiest lineup he ever had. I'm telling you, it's a mind thing. So the first thing is just to have that confidence. Stop being scared. You have to put yourself under pressure in order to get better. When you first start out, you may not have the crispiest hairlines, but you have to keep telling yourself, every time I do this, I'm getting better. When you're starting out barbering, you're going to be nervous. Part of lining someone up, that's one of the biggest parts of the haircut. But you just have to relax, believe in what you can do, and just do the work. If you focus on messing up all the time, you're probably going to mess up. But if you focus on doing great work, likely your work will reflect that over time. And this leads right into my next point, point number 2. Find the trimmer that works for you. So you may see a lot of influencers or very popular barbers using certain clippers and trimmers, but you have to find what works for you. That's why you guys don't see me promote a certain clipper or a trimmer. It's really whatever works for you. I'll give you a perfect example. When I first bought this trimmer, it sat on my workstation for like a month. I used it maybe 1 or 2 times and I'm like, what is the hype about? I just can't understand. To me, it wasn't as ergonomic. It fit like a tissue roll in my hand. I could not get with this trimmer for anything. The same with this one. I bought this one because I had the corded version and I love the corded version, but for some reason, I just didn't like the way this one felt in my hand. So it's really about finding what works for you. However, the more and more I kept using it, I found myself coming back to it. And what really helped was me buying trimmer grips. So that may be an alternative for you as well. By the way, if you're looking for any barber supplies or any accessories to go on your clippers and trimmers, you can check out the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. I have a list of all types of barber supplies and all the equipment that I use. Once you find a trimmer that works for you and that you like, get very familiar with it. Move it around in your hand. Just get very comfortable practicing at different types of angles. You have to build that muscle memory and form that mind-muscle connection so that way when you're actually doing the actual lineup, you already have that mind-muscle connection. And that's also why I have this mannequin right here. Get you a mannequin. Of course, this is not a straight line, but get you a mannequin and just practice. Practice on making your lines. This also helps with building that muscle memory as well. And if you need to, you can draw an outline on the mannequin and just practice going over it with your trimmer. That's another way that you can build confidence with having the trimmer in your hand. And you also may find that, hey, I like this trimmer better for balding. I like this one for lineups. I like this one for designs. So you have to find what works for you. And going back to what I said about these grips, to be honest with you guys, the only reason that I still use this trimmer is because of this grip. For me, this trimmer just did not feel good in my hand, but this grip really allowed me to just get some type of friction right here. And that way I didn't feel like the trimmer was loose in my hand, or if I held it to the side, I didn't feel like it would slip out of my hands. And for this final tip that I have for you guys, it's all about how you position the trimmer on the head. This will really help you get sharper lineups and help you have more control. So let's say I'm about to perform a lineup. What really helps, you have to use this finger, this index finger, use it as a guide. So to give you more stability, take your finger and rest it on the client's head. So that way when you make a move, you have the stability right here. Even if your hand is shaking, putting your hand right here will even help you relax even more. Another tip that has helped me, and you will likely see this in my videos if you've been watching the tutorials, especially when it comes to the eyebrow, I always have a finger right here and I always line like this. This distance may be short on some people, so I always like to keep my finger, or you can just put your thumb right there to make sure that you don't cut the eyebrow. But the main thing that's really going to help you is to keep this finger for balance. Well, that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to comment below. And if you want me to expound more on topics like this, comment below and let me know what you guys want me to do videos on. I'm all about helping you guys grow. If you got value out of this video, I ask that you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video.